Wake up to the birds, they're singing songs.
Hi guys,
Blue
I'm all
skies
packed
ahead,
up, got
nothing
ready,
could go
packed up,
wrong.
got the dogs ready to go. And there's Zenji, and Circe's here in her bed, her little car seat, pet car seat. There's Zenji. And we're ready to go. We're just leaving home right now. This thing keeps falling, so I'm not going to be able to continue filming the trip, but I will check in on my stops. Yep, so I just cooked myself a little dinner at the rest stop, and it's the O'Brien rest stop. It's kind of small, so the trucks are kind of close to the cars. There's not a separate truck area here. I was going to make it all the way to Ashland, but it started raining, so I thought it'd be safer to stop early. Yeah, so I'm here and just hanging out in the back of the van because that's where I like to be. We're all closed up. I've got all the window covers up in the front and in the back. You can see the window cover. And there's the puppies. They're hard to see back here because it's dark. They're there. They're there. Hi, Benji. And I'm about to eat my sausage that I just cooked up on my little burner with my little power bank. And we'll be back on the road very early in the morning. So hopefully not too early. But I don't know how well I'll sleep because the trucks are like really right behind the cars. But sometimes I find myself sleeping pretty well with the generators going on the trucks. Depends on the truck and the generator. It's them coming in and out that's a little bit disturbing, but we'll see how that goes tonight. So we are almost to Oregon. The O'Brien rest stop is near Shasta Lake, California, and not that far from the border of Oregon and California. So I will check in with you tomorrow. Good morning, folks. So I camped in, I think it was called Lakewood O'Brien. Anyway, I didn't sleep too great. I was in and out, but part of it was the trucks coming in and out of the rest stop, and the other part was the normal, like, my brain won't turn off so I can sleep thing. So I dozed on and off every couple hours. But I rested and I got a little bit of sleep, so I'm grateful for that. And now I am in Ashland. I got up early and hightailed it out of there so I wouldn't overstay. I'm now in Ashland, and I'm glad I didn't pick this as the place to stay as a rest stop because the bathrooms, this was a really nice place before, but something's happened. Their bathrooms are horrible. Like horrible. Like you go in and like you don't even want to use it. Yeah. So anyway, I'm just making a little coffee. I already made my breakfast. I feel like I have to be very mindful and focused when I'm trying to cook food. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. I just made some sausages like I did last night. The other half of the Beyond sausages I made last night. So finish those up. I've got some little mini donuts that I had made that I will be munching on the road, and my coffee. And then I'm going to head up to Eugene, Springfield, and start my week of hanging out with family and friends and having a good time. And I will try to get some little videos here and there when I can. So I'll turn the camera on and show you what my morning looks like. A little messy, like my hair. So there is my little pot. I'm waiting for that coffee. It's coffee that I had already made yesterday. I'm just reheating it, which feels faster and more efficient. My little power bank here is just about out of power, so I'm hoping it makes it through this coffee heating. Otherwise, we have to uncover the Bluetti, which is like hiding under all that stuff, and use that instead. So, well, we will. And there's my mess, waiting for me to finish coffee and cleaning up, and yeah. And there is the puppies. They've had their puppy breakfast already. Now they're all comfortable with full tummies, napping away, waiting to get back on the road. And I have a little privacy going on. Plus, I feel like the sun's coming from that side. I do have my little fan going. It's getting a little warm this morning in here, probably because I'm cooking. But yeah. And yeah, so I am getting ready for the day and the week. What's the matter, Cindy? Are you waiting for Isaiah? Where'd he go? Where did your Isaiah go? Where is he? Where'd he go? Good morning, folks. Good morning. I'm just waking up this morning in Springfield, Oregon. Ruby the minivan. I had a wonderful weekend. I stayed with a friend, my friend. So, saw the Beach Boys. Hope you see those clips. I'll put those up soon. So I am in Springfield, Oregon at my daughter's now. And I will get up in a few minutes and go hang out with my grandsons. I hung out with them last night for a little bit. And then it got late, so the dogs and I came into our little private room on wheels and went to bed. And I slept great and ready to start a new day. Go! This is my, let's see, I left on Friday. It's now Wednesday. So I've been here for quite a few days, and I've been at my daughter's now since Monday. So it's my second full day here. I slept pretty good last night. Actually, I slept pretty good the 2 nights I've been here. Actually, better than I did at my friend's nice house again. Like I said, the dog, his dog, and yeah. But I'm doing pretty good and having a good time. And my little fan that I thought was charging all day, not working. Okay, so I have to charge it. So I've been hanging out, hung up with my younger grandson, Isaiah, for the day today. Well, Anthony part of the day, but then he's almost 18 and he has a girlfriend. And I got to meet her today. She was a pretty nice girl. Seems like it. So I'm glad he has a nice girlfriend. Happy for him. So he went out for the day with his girlfriend. So I spent the rest of the day with Isaiah, my grandson, who is 14. And we had a good time. We watched movies and chit-chatted. And then I worked on some video editing. And now I'm back in the van for the night. Hopefully we'll get maybe some family shots. I'll see if they are wanting to be in my video. I'm gonna try. We'll see. So far they haven't wanted to do that, so we'll see how they feel about it this time. And tomorrow my daughter's gonna get off work a little early, so we're gonna hang out and do some things. And then Friday is a big game for my older grandson. So I'm gonna brave it and go to a faraway game and spend the whole afternoon there and to the night. So we'll see how I feel Friday night. So I like it here in Oregon because there's actually more healthy restaurant options here than there is in Santa Cruz, which is, but Eugene, Oregon's pretty progressive. And so I got things like they have mod pizza. You can put together your own pizza, and I was able to make a nice cauliflower crust and custom veggie and plant-based pizza that checked off all my food allergies and sensitivities. I'm in trouble with my camera, my phone. And they even have a bakery called Sweet Life. No sponsors, just places I enjoy when I'm up here. And they make gluten-free and vegan desserts. So I cheated a little bit because it wasn't sugar-free. But I'm eating it very slowly. It's going to take me 3 days to eat it, because that's about how long you want to let something stay as a leftover. So that's how my trip is going this time around. I will hopefully check in again tomorrow. There's my little fan that won't stay on, because apparently I thought it was charging it all day and it was not charging. So I don't know. See, now it's going to go on, but it doesn't stay on. See, done. That's it. So I have to try to charge it again. The power banks, I think after a while, have an auto shut off, so maybe because I wasn't in here. At least the one I was using does, and I guess it's so you don't waste the battery. So, we'll try again. And the puppies, I can't really see them. You can see Zenji's collar. Zenji! Good puppy. And Cersei's in her bed over all the way in there. You can't see her. She's sleeping already. So the pups are there, and I'm getting ready for bed. I had things cleaned up in couch mode, so I have to get back into bedtime mode. So, yeah.
What the hell happened out there?
I'm off on a short hike with the kids. Hopefully I make it. I'll turn the camera on and show you. My hair is crazy. We just got up and decided to go on this trail to the waterfalls. There's Brandy and Grace. Oh.
Yeah, look on there too. It's not even
It's clear on there.
You ever going to be there?
Oh, I know you so well. He's like, come right across. You know, he's back on in there.
Grassy fields, a canvas of